behind me. My side skirt came off. Bumper over there. Car over here. Got clipped on. I'd be scared though, because if it's not clipped on the right way, it could just fall off in the middle of the road, and that would be terrible, because if it falls off while I'm driving, it's gone. It's a goner. Welcome back, my beautiful people, to another video of mine. We started off really bad. I mean, not bad, it's not terrible. It didn't break or anything, it didn't crack. I'm heading over to AutoZone so I could get a surprise for Dante. We're gonna be working on his car. I mean, not really working on it, but basically his tints are terrible. Well, just the rears, like they're bubbling, they're old. We're gonna redo his tints. Yeah, you know, mechanic stuff, tinter stuff, wrapper stuff, all the above stuff. Yeah, I'm going to AutoZone right now. Honestly, it should be easier. Tinting should be easier than wrapping, so I think I got it. Quick story time. Dante's car, recently he was working on the GTI and had the trunk open. A stray cat got in the car. We noticed days after, when we opened up the GTI again, a cat just ran out. You know, that cat peed, poop, everything, all the above inside Dante's GTI. So we're about to clean his car as well. We're gonna be detailers today, and we're also gonna be tinters today. Inside, no bumper. Well, we should take some pictures back here. Entrance, crucial. I brought it in before, and it's just crucial. It's pointless. Like, why bring it in when I have to bring it back out? Tint is secure. I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough. We'll just come back if it's not enough. I wish Dante was here so he can record what the dude was saying inside of there. First of all, he was like, are you gonna be installing it? Because if you are, I have a spot that does it. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, I would have, you know, gone to a spot if I wanted to go to a spot. Obviously, I'm doing it on my own. So I was like, nah, it's okay. I'm going to be doing it. And then he started explaining how I'm going to have to, like, put it in between the panels. Some people take off the panels, this and that. I'm like, well, you know, I wrapped my car, so it shouldn't be way far apart. And then he goes off by saying, this is 5%. You're going to have to check if that's allowed. AutoZone, I got this. Like, what the heck? Am I dressed not appropriately? Like, do I have to have a mechanic suit on or something? It's okay, Dante. I got you covered. So do you want to know what your present is?
Why you put on black gloves?
It's not even... Because it's contaminated in there. It's a whole... Like, I haven't even seen it. I just smelt it. Oof. And from the rear, so it was pretty bad. You know, you can deny your present. I understand.
Deny it?
Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep. The hell? Oh, that's window tint. See, okay, see, but no. The only problem, if you do it,
it's only just this one.
No, it might, cause that's cheap tint. No offense. It might not look black. It might not be the same shade. So like what I was thinking about doing, since this is happening, I was gonna do all 4 of my windows over, or all of them. What the? It's gonna be like faded. It's gonna look weird. You're gonna tell the difference. I mean, if you want to do it,
for now, right?
I mean, it's up to you, bro. Honestly, GTI is getting a whole new makeover. So
listen, I'm a wrap expert. So after wrapping my car, I'm a specialist at everything. Out there, there's poop.
I know.
Ooh, that's enough. Ooh, gotta let this air out. That's what happens when you leave the trunk open. A cat just slips in. See the poopies?
I don't even want to go in there anymore.
That's bad. We're gonna take all the mats off. This is gonna have to be washed tomorrow in the daylight so we can scrub it, soap, everything with the car. We're gonna scrub the car. We're gonna just take a shower with the car, honestly. Rag, here, put it on.
I don't need that.
All of this gotta go.
It smells so bad. Yo.
You Blistex here, put some on.
Nah.
Every time I put my hand and palm right here, it's soap. FYI, I do not have the tip for it, so it's harder, you know? Day 2 of attempting to fix and bring back to life Dante's car. I vacuumed the car to take out all the hair. Also put this powder and I left it overnight so it could kind of soak up the smell. It looks crazy in here. That actually wasn't hard. I think it's because it's just old, because had it been a fresh new one that I had to remove, then it would have been over, because it would have been really stuck in there. Oh my god, I had it. I could have kept going. Oh my god. Fam, it's only been like 10 minutes and I'm already questioning myself. Why did I do this? Why did I sign up for this? What if it doesn't come out good? What if it doesn't stay on and it falls mid-drive? Maybe the AutoZone guy was right. Comment down below if you guys think I got this. Comment down below if this is gonna be hard. If I can get this roll out in one section without it breaking apart, then you need to give this video a like and share it. Slow and steady wins the race. Like that. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, you guys thought I was gonna lose? Get to tapping. Get to tapping. Okay, it's still one piece. Do not break on me. Do not break on me. I'm trying to peel this because look what's left. And I was pulling it from the bottom. Now it has like a little slit here, so if I keep pulling, it's just gonna keep going up. It's still connected. It didn't break apart. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. It broke apart. There's still tint there. Okay fam, it's getting pretty dark, so I'm trying to be as fast as possible. We might have to install the tints tomorrow, but right now I'm taking off the glue, and I found the easiest way to take off the glue is basically spray it with soap water and then start scraping and it'll come off. Make sure you're not scratching the window. Make sure you're doing it like, you know, against, like, lightly and not like, argh. Don't worry, Dante, your windows are not getting scratched. Back to daytime, we made it happen just by a click of our finger.
Pre-air bubbles.
Oh my god! Made all my cuts already. I gotta just install it now. Damn, it's pretty black. When you stand in front of it, I can't see outside.
You have an issue.
What?
Your cuts aren't precise at all.
Where? Oh man. Now I know. Like this was like the practice before the real thing. Side tints are done. Lastly, now finally it's time for the last part. The rear. This should be the easiest part because it's just one cut.
We start off by peeling the old crusty tint. So our first problem here was the sticker that wouldn't come off. And I couldn't just pull it or like yank it because I felt like every inch of the tint mattered. But no. That's not where the problem ends. You see, here, I try to place it over. Definitely recommend getting it pre-cut. Oh, you know, you'll get creases, and then if you get creases, you ruin your tint because the tint is so thin. Somehow I managed to get the cuts done perfectly nice and even until the wind started to dance with me. This is where I'm struggling to even put it on because the wind wouldn't even let me put it on. Finally, once it was on, I noticed no matter how many times I squeegeed around some area, the creases that there was, or sockets, whatever you want to call these, wouldn't leave. And it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It was a bunch of them.
As you guys can see, I gave up with the rear windshield. We got a professional here. It's on the shirt. W shirt. He said I was supposed to shrink the tint from the rear, and I did not do that. Literally like 10 minutes and he's done and gone. Look at that. I had to make sure it was perfect for Dante since it's not my car and I can't keep testing it out and trying it out. I wanted it to be perfect for Dante, so that's why I went with a professional. Make sure you guys go follow him. Wherever you guys are, he can probably go to you guys. So make sure you guys reach out to him. I can't believe I couldn't do that. He did say I had to use the heat gun and get those creases away. And I did not do that. Maybe for my car, if they need to be redone, I'll know now. That's gonna conclude our video for today, fam. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, we're not all perfect, so it's good to post our mistakes as well, and this is one of them. So I attempted, at least I tried, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Next video is gonna be me installing some goodies into my car. Turn your post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on that. You guys make this happen, all of this happen. So shout out to you guys, and stay blessed and stay safe. Peace. Dante does not know I'm tinting his car, so we're gonna surprise him for sure. If it comes out bad, I'll probably not even tell him I did it. He probably won't even notice. I'll just be like, Dante, it's just been, you know, sitting in the sun. That's why it came off, or that's why it's peeling.
Oh, it might, because that's cheap tint. No offense.
Dante, there's poop.
I know.
Oh, that smells.